you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're going to be making a wreath for under $20. Let's get started. Okay, so the wire wreath frame and the garland is from the Dollar Tree. I'm just cutting it into manageable lengths to be able to wrap it around the frame. This video is part of an open collaboration titled A Christmas Craft Challenge hosted by Hanna, Watkins DIY and DIY Glam. All we're doing here is taking those pieces of garland and wrapping around the wire frame. As you can see, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. The Dollar Tree wreath frame is a 14-inch wreath frame. It comes with 6 sections. I'm going to be wrapping this evergreen around 3 of those sections. Here you will see that I've completed the evergreen wrap around 3 of those sections. I went in with red sparkling ribbon and wrapped it around the other 3 remaining sections. I am also placing flocked garland on the evergreen wrapped sections. I want to do this to add dimension and texture to my wreath. There isn't a particular methodology on how you place the garland on your form. You just want to place it on there sporadically. I must tell you guys that you will go through plenty of glue sticks with this project, especially if you're using the mini glue sticks, which are the ones that I love. Okay, so now once you've added enough of the flock garland onto your project to your liking, you want to just get rid of all of the glue spiders and things like that and go in and jazz it up a little bit with some ornaments. These ornaments are ones that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go in and secure them. If you want your project to be permanent, I'm going to highly suggest that you consider using Gorilla Glue. Those other glues just will not perform at the level that Gorilla Glue will. Just do a little bit of fixing and getting your placement together. This bow is the bow that we made on Wednesday for Bow Wednesday on the Pro Bow the Hand. Remember that we make bows here every Wednesday on various bow makers, and I'd love for you to come and join us. Alrighty, beautiful people, we've completed our project today, and all for under $20. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey you guys, don't forget to check the description box for all of the links and the playlists so that you can see all of the wonderful creations of the ladies that participated in the collaboration. Have a good one. Bye.